I-Orlando Pirates sathanda kukhipha umbiko la. I-most yama-fans e-Orlando Pirates ngeke uzuthande lo mbiko but i-defender le-Orlando Pirates engisathanda kukhuluma ngayo insukwini nje ngikhulumile futhi ngayo uSandile Mthetho izolo. uSandile Mthetho uyayishiya i-Orlando Pirates njengoba bengibikile bafethu useyishiyile i-Orlando Pirates. i-Orlando Pirates ekhipha i-statement la ungaya kusibuka ku-website yakhona yabo. But bayam-allowa ukuthi amove kwi-club ye-choice yakhe. Confirmile ukuthi both parties have agreed ukuthi ba-separate. Yabo una 27 years old right now. Kwi-prime yakhe yangempela and uyayidinga i-regular football. Yabo udinga ukudlala more games, udinga more games. Njengoba engawutholi nje i-game time ku-Orlando Pirates sebedecide ukuthi bamdedele ayothola i-game time kumanye ama-club. So it's official uSandile Mthetho has left the-Orlando Pirates. Wajoin Orlando Pirates ngo-2016. Yabo esamncane kakhulu eqhamuka kwi-KZN Academy if I'm not mistaken. Yabo omunye wabadlali so uhambe ngempela bafethu Mthethwa. Yize ngekho mnandi bafethu but kumele si-accept. Yabo for me as a Orlando Pirates fan I didn't want him to go. Yabo bengifuna athole more game time because this player plays like uNda. Yabo mwasubuka indlela adlala ngakhona uNda udlala ngaye lo mjida kuyikona ukuthi lapho Orlando Pirates i-competition njengoba bengishilo i-tight kakhulu bafethu. I-tight but ke indaba njengoba bengiyithulile ngaphambilini ukuthi ngenzeka ahambe Umthetho bengayitshela ukuthi uzohamba soon kanje yabo beyitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe uzohamba mase kuphela isizini because i-contract yakhe ibingakakhulunywa indaba ye-contract yakhe kuthiwa biyiphela mase kuphela isizini nako ke sehamba manje kuMthethwa so akakaziyo kahle kahle ukuthi yiphi team azoyijoyina yabo sebe went separate ways ne-club akakaziwa but ke ngimfisela inhlanhla uVanyambose ngimfisela nje okukhulu ngawuze angatholwa i-team yabo ezokwazi ukumsebenzisa yabo I think amazulu angaba a good fit kumaZulu because amazulu right now need i-defender la ngempela Umthetho angafika fit lapha yabo amazulu adinga ama-defender bafethu noma aye ku-Richards BFC maningi ama-team angamsebenzisa Umthetho noma buyele le kwi-Chippa United because ilapho afika wadlala khona kwi-Chippa United ezi-Orlando Pirates imbuyisa omunye umdlali esimlonile simlone kuSikhukhune United Katlego Otladisa na akayithola i-game time ku-Orlando Pirates so i-Orlando Pirates decide ukuthi imlone naye yabo babeshiyo la ezansi. Meanwhile the club can also confirm that it has reached an agreement with Sikhukhune United for services of Katlego Otladisa. The 20-year-old moves across Babina Noko on a loan deal for the remainder of the 24-25 season. So uKatlego Otladisa iloan yakhe izoqala ngoJanuary ngiyali yabo simlonile kuSikhukhune United. Awuthi umfana angafike lapha ayithola i-game time adlale kahle khona ezobuya kuOrlando Pirates esenayo i-fitness yabo abuya azolwela ijezi kuOrlando Pirates engawusa ama-injury sangahlukana nayo umfana yabo so ngimafisela inhlanhla abafethu ngathi bangahamba basizakale kwi-future yabo yabo yize le ndaba ezingekho mnandi bafethu but as Orlando Pirates kumele sifocus kwi-future right now yabo izinto right now kumele sifocus kwi-future abafethu ngathi bangaba ne-future e-right kulama club abazoya kuona thina right now sinama games asahlalele anzima yabo yize bengawona umbono right ukuthi badedelwa but ke izinto ziyenzeka ebholeni nani nyazazi bafethu ibhola ibusiness into yakhona le